Welcome to the Trade Doc, the options trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is October 26, 2016, and the markets close red with the Dow up 30 points. Russell's down the most with almost a full percent down. In the futures, majors are mostly red, pretty much unchanged. The bonds were down slightly. The VIX was red, now it's green. Oil unchanged at 49.18. Natural gas up 0.5%, which might be a good buy opportunity. Gold is up a little past 1266, which 1266 was support level. The dollar is up slightly. I don't know what's going on with copper, but that's down 0.5%. And the British pound still at 122. Let's look at the charts. Here, oil was down 1.33%. It's having a tough time closing below this price line, and we are looking from now on make some changes where I use the 4-hour chart, so that's what I'm going to be displaying 4-hour charts using the buy and sell triggers. So 4-hour charts from here on out, no more day charts. As traders, we need to split the day in half, let's say. And if you could trade after hours, you get a few hours, 2 hours after, and you can trade about an hour before the market opens. But here in oil, the USO is at 1309. Oil Explorers is down. Looks like it went past the channel and it actually closed above its channel. So on Oil Explorers, at a support level there, still gonna hold our short position. Natural gas down to the mid range of this channel, which starts here. We'll probably back it up from way back there. And since we have our second buy opportunity, this is going to be a buy. And if I mark it, it means tomorrow I look for some companies in the in the natural gas industry and go along with it. But here we have a buy on natural gas. I've been waiting to go along on natural gas. If it falls to the bottom of this channel, we'll go long again, but I doubt it. Gold was down 0.5%. It's still trading in this channel here. It's not really a channel, it's a pinching wedge, and don't know if you'd consider ascending. It's more like consolidating wedge. Gold miners were down 2% today. I should have paid attention to the sell signal here and actually taken it. So now I'm just holding this position, but it looks like it's trading sideways well above this mid-range of the channel. Expect it to go up and hit that trend line. No problem. Gold miners. Silvers, we closed out a position. Now we don't have a position on it, but this one's going to be trading in this triangle until it consolidates. The bonds were down another 0.5%, moving down along that channel. XLE, the energy sector, was up 0.25% today. We do have What do we do? We bought some call spreads, and still waiting to buy some. We bought some put spreads. Gonna buy some call spreads in below this range. Financial sector looks like it closed up. This is in the morning, 9 a.m. Hit the resistance, close below it. Still have our short position there. I would put another sell on that, but I'm not gonna because we already have a position. So in industrials, still moving along that wedge. This is having a tough time coming up, so the next couple of days we'll be shorting it. Utilities moving up this wedge here, this channel, still in that range, so no short, no position. If it hits the top of this, then it's really bullish. Material sector, we got some buy signals here, but didn't do no action. You can see it's a downtrend right now. XLV, I think it was. I had another buy order on it, so we did open up another position today, and it was later in the day. Still in that trend line. We got that's coming down. Ooh, home builders are down in that square. So this is where we want to buy them again. This is actually a good spot. We'll wait till they drop a little lower. Retailers still looking good along this range. I think now is a good, probably getting close to a good time to put a buy on that, especially since it's at the bottom of the channel. Here we have material sector, and it's trading above this channel now, but since we have this line here, we make it parallel to that channel. It's just a little overhead supply that's moving right now, so we'll count this as overhead supply until it reaches this, then we'll call it bullish. We'll call it a buy. The dollar, we still have a short on it. Moved up slightly today, but it's still trading above this 20-day moving average. This is spiders. Kind of like an iron condor going on, and it's trading below this trend line, so it's still bearish. The diamonds, I'm actually going to place trades in this range because it's going to continue this range. We should have caught it back in last month. September 9th was when that range started. Small caps, this is very bullish, reached it. So this IWM got to sell again. The cubes, this is a great trade for us right now, and we're gonna keep holding it. Emerging markets, ooh, it didn't touch up here, so this is a sell. Peace.